The one thing you keep avoiding. Adam had one important task to finish. He wasn't lazy. He was avoiding something. He was afraid people wouldn't like his work. Then he made a simple deal with himself. He didn't promise to finish. He only promised to start. The task wasn't as terrifying as it had been in his imagination.
The hardest part wasn't doing it. The hardest part was starting.
He stopped waiting to feel ready.
There's one thing you've been avoiding. Don't wait until you're ready. Just take the first step. Your future might be waiting on the other side.